The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Wednesday, February 5, and we are commemorating Saint Agatha, Virgin and Martyr. Our gospel will be coming from Saint Mark chapter 6, verses 1 to 6. The gospel is all about how Jesus was rejected by his own people. When he went home to Nazareth, they were astonished by his preaching and by his miracles. But simply because they thought they knew him and his family, they turned their astonishment into jealousy and rejection. My dear sisters and brothers, probably in our life, we have met people who have been successful. Probably one of your neighbors, or maybe your classmates when you were in high school, or your best friends, or just simply a random person you get to know. And they became successful. Our initial reaction would always be, how come? Or maybe, how good for them? Or probably, we question their capacity to reach the goal. But nonetheless, at the end of it, we have to realize we don't have the monopoly of intelligence. We don't have the monopoly of goodness. We don't have the monopoly of kindness. Everyone is entitled to grow. Everyone is entitled to reap the success of their sacrifices. And everyone is capable of transforming their lives. Sometimes we turn our astonishment into jealousy because we always think that someone is already beyond redemption. Let us never put someone in a box. There must be always an opening for growth and development. Otherwise, we become the judge of them, and that's not a good thing. So for today, let's just be happy that our brothers and sisters are growing in their faith, growing in their life. And mind you, it is good that others are being blessed. Much more if we become the vessels or instruments of others' blessing. So instead of being jealous or being critical of others' success, let's just be happy so that one day, together, we will be walking towards the success of life and happiness. God bless.